Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add a date on your Trello board. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Trello workspace and go to one of your board. And now from here guys, in order for you to add a date, just simply go ahead and go to your card. And after that, you should be able to see here date on the right side of the screen. And from here, you could add a due date. So from here, you can select start date as well. So let's say the start date will be February 13 and the end date will be 15. And from here, you should be able to provide a time as well. So let's say I'm going to go for 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, for example. And now from here, you could set a due date reminder as well. And you will have multiple options. You could go for at a time of due date, 5 minutes before, 1 hour, up to 2 days. Let's say I'm gonna go for 2 days, and from here just simply select save. And as you can see, reminders will be sent to all members and watchers of this card. So from here just simply click on save, and after that you should be able to add a date. And when we close this out, as you can see, the date will be visible on the card. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.